but he knowed his way back home. So from Calvary's cross, where they bruised him, mashed him, tore him, like a bunch of wolves upon him, he made his flight from Calvary and then landed in heaven's doors, saying, "It's finished! It's finished!" They're free. Sickness can be healed now. Sinners can be saved. The captive can be set free.
I look over and see the trail ahead.
Let us know.
On that long Calvary road where hope has led. You were there beneath that heavy load. Every step, love and grace is sowed. Carrying that tree through the dusty air. The weight of the world you chose to bear. All our tears, our fears, our shame, you took them all, you broke the chain. Oh Lord, you walked that road for me. With every step, setting hearts free. Through the darkness, you brought the dawn. On Calvary, your love lives on. Your blood fell like a sacred rain. Every drop healing endless pain.